Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are preparing vegan Rasmalai. So let's get started. Let's make the creamy milk part of the Rasmalai first. Heat the soy milk. I have taken around 1 liter. You can even use almond or coconut milk. Add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give it a mix. There are so many different ways the vegan Rasmalai can be prepared. This method comes really close to the texture of the original Rasmalai. Add 80 to 85 grams of sugar. You can always use healthier alternatives to sugar like jaggery, date syrup, agave, maple syrup, stevia, and the list goes on. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, add saffron threads to the milk as they add this amazing flavor along with light yellow color of the Rasmalai. Let this simmer over low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Then add chopped dry fruits. I have used cashew, pistachio and almonds. Give it a mix and switch off the heat. For the Rasmalai discs, grate a block of tofu around 300 grams. Make sure to dry the tofu using a paper towel or a kitchen towel so the excess moisture is absorbed. Add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Mix it well. For the Rasmalai balls or disc, you can even prepare the vegan ricotta cheese or vegan paneer from scratch using almond, soy or cashew milk. Using tofu is a shortcut as we are cutting a big step of boiling the milk and then curdling it to prepare the vegan paneer. Now we are going to mash and knead the tofu. Knead it till it's smooth and everything comes together like a dough. At this point, the tofu should have a very small amount of moisture in it and we have to knead it to the point that it becomes really smooth. To check if we are done, take a small piece and shape it like a round ball and then press it into a disc. When you do that, check for cracks in the disc. If so, knead for a couple of more minutes till it's even. And if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel for easy vegan recipes. After a few minutes, let's check again and see this time if the disc is smooth. There are no big cracks and it is well combined together. Repeat the same with the remaining discs. You can even prepare rasgullas with the same recipe. Instead of the disc, just make them round. While preparing the dough, remember not to add too much of cornstarch or any other flour as it will make the texture of the Rasmalai a little bit hard. Now it's time to cook the Rasmalai discs. Heat water in a broad pan and add some sugar to make it slightly sweet. I'm adding around 80 grams of sugar. You can easily replace sugar with jaggery, and if you're someone like me who doesn't have access to jaggery, you can use date syrup. Once the sugar dissolves, add the Rasmalai discs. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes and then cover and cook for 15 minutes over low heat. Then remove the cover and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. As you can see, the discs have increased in size. Flip the disc and cook for another 10 minutes. Then switch off the heat and drain the excess water by lightly pressing the discs. This process will also help them to absorb the saffron milk easily. Place the Rasmalai disc in a bowl and then add the saffron milk to it. You can also press them lightly after adding the milk so it gets absorbed quickly. Cover them completely with the soy saffron milk and then add some dry fruits to garnish. Refrigerate for a minimum of 5 to 6 hours or overnight. Next day, the vegan Rasmalai is ready to be served. Texture of this Rasmalai came so close to the original Rasmalai texture. Just look at that. Doesn't this look divine? I even had this taste tested by my non-vegan friends and got a big thumbs up. The second method to Rasmalai is more of a quick workaround when you don't feel like doing anything. This is so easy and quick and can be prepared in a jiffy. Choose a bread which won't disintegrate easily. Cut the center out in round or oval shape using a bowl or a cutter. Place them in a serving bowl and add the saffron milk on top of it and serve instantly. Don't let them sit as the bread will eventually melt in the saffron milk. Trust me, this looks like nothing, but it tastes amazing as it has all the great flavors coming from the vegan saffron milk. So do try these recipes at home and let me know your feedback in the comment section. I'll see you soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.